Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread for breakfast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 cup of warm water, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Make sure your water is between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit to properly activate the yeast. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect loaf, so take your time with each component. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, and salt. Then, pour in the warm water with the activated yeast. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, giving your bread its structure. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's time for the first rise or proofing. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat, then cover it with plastic wrap. Let it rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, you can shape it into a loaf, rolls, or whatever breakfast bread you desire. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your shaped dough into a greased loaf pan or onto a baking sheet. Bake for 25 to 35 minutes, or until golden brown and hollow sounding when tapped. The internal temperature should be between 200 and 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool completely before slicing. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.